what we're looking at is the first results since the takeover of CS. We're learning more about the inner workings of this banking behemoth. Can I just get your reaction to the numbers as they stand? Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Thank you very much for hosting me. So those results for UBS are definitely historic after the deal of the century they got in March with Credit Suisse rescue. And the first metric we were focusing on were the CET1 ratio of 14.4% announced this morning. This is very much in the middle of the range, so nothing really to be concerned about, and the share price should react modestly positively on this number. But we'll be looking for also guidance in terms of return on equity, guidance in terms of the glide path of this CET1 ratio, whether we'll be targeting 13, 14, or 15%. And that's where the management conf call will be very interesting. Also, on the non-core units made of Credit Suisse Investment Bank, the speed at which UBS intends to reduce these non-core units will be very interesting. In the report this morning, they quote 2026, and for us that might be a bit shy of some expectation the market had on the celerity with which this non-core unit could be run down. As you mentioned, also, what is very positive is the actual inflows. So the deposit reversal is taking place. That's also a very good sign for the franchise. The integration of Swiss operations from Credit Suisse is very much in line, so nothing new there. But what's going to be very interesting is indeed, as you said, the timeline of share buybacks. And for that, we need to have the repayment of the funding lines from the Swiss National Bank, and also the demonstration that UBS has access to the AT1 markets following the write-down of the Credit Suisse AT1s in March.